All right, today I'm going to talk to you about why your Bosch dishwasher smells. So this is my Bosch dishwasher right here. And I know a lot of people have been complaining that the Bosch dishwasher smells. It leaves the dishes smelly, has a slight scent to it. You can drink from your glass of water and you can smell a scent on the glass that isn't quite pleasant. Now I'm going to talk to you about a couple of reasons why that might be, why your Bosch dishwasher smells. Okay, Bosch, as you know, is like one of the premier brands of dishwashers that you can get. So if you have one of the premier brands, why is it smelling? Now, there's a couple of reasons. So I'm going to open up my dishwasher. As you can see, it is open, it is clean, it's done, a load has been done, so all the dishes have been removed other than a couple of, a spoon and a knife in there. And so the compartment right here, no soap in there or whatever. Everything is clean in here, but I keep on getting smelly dishes. Now I'm going to show you. I'm going to go ahead and pull this out, right? And it looks clean. Everything looks clean. But one thing about this dishwasher that I notice from other ones, this one in particular does not have a fan that air dries. So there's water sometimes or all the time that sits in the bottom underneath the filter, which I'm going to show you right here. This is the filter down here, and this could be another problematic area right here. So the filter, which I'm going to take out right here, I'm going to twist that right there and then pull up. The filter needs to be cleaned ever so often. I usually clean mine probably like every 5 to 10 loads. As you can see, they're starting to have some sort of buildup of food right here. So you need to take out this filter, and this comes apart right here. There, look at that. There's gunky food in there. So that gunky food right there mixes in with the water that's circulating around the dishes, and it can produce a smell. This filter can produce a smell. So you're going to have to clean this out, and I say like every 5 to 10 washes, because food particles and bacteria can grow on this and produce a smell. Another factor is down here, sometimes food can be down here. As you can see, there's a little bit of food that's just trapped down in there. And that sits in the water and it starts to make the water smell, and that makes the entire dishwasher smell when it's rinsing the dishes. All right, so you want to make sure that all food particles are outside of this. The second thing is you also want to make sure that your garbage disposal is clean and clear, because if there's any sort of backup inside of the garbage disposal line, it will obstruct the water from flowing from outside of the dishwasher into the drain. So make sure the garbage disposal is clean. Make sure the food is out of this right here. Make sure the filter is clean right here. And I'm going to show you another thing. After you make sure the filter is clean, let me go ahead and snap this back into place. I will clean that later, but you make sure that's clean. I usually clean mine with a toothbrush and some soapy water and then rinse it. Okay. All right, so that's into place. All right, a little tricky, but I got it. So once you clean out the food particles at the bottom of that, once you've cleaned out the filter, there is something else. You need to, ever so often, use dishwasher cleaning tabs. Now this particular dishwasher it says that it recommends Finish, but I use Cascade cleaning tabs. So this is different from the Cascade dishwasher washing pods. Okay, this is dishwasher cleaning tabs. This is designed to clean the dishwasher and not the dishes in the dishwasher. If that makes any sense, you can go ahead and rewind that and see if I said that correctly, but I think I did. Well, anyway, so right here, use one of these tabs right here. As you can read on the back of it, the instructions are right here. It says let me zoom in right here so you can see this. It says that you're supposed to use one tab. Use it, just all you have to do is take the tab out and put it where the soap dispenser is right here. Close it and run your wash of the hottest wash. Okay, it says you're supposed to do this once a week. Use weekly, it says right here. And it says right here, okay, it says right here, place it inside of the chamber. Do not put it in here. So my mistake, okay, put it inside of the chamber down there. It says, fill your dishwasher and place your detergent tablet into dosing chamber. Okay, so this one right here, it recommends you fill up your dishwasher with dishes, place the detergent tablet into the dosing chamber. Place finished dishwasher cleaning tab at the bottom of your dishwasher. So you place one of these tabs at the bottom of the dishwasher, place your normal soap inside of this right here, the dishes inside of your dishwasher, okay? And it says, run regular dishwashing cycle, use weekly to keep dishwasher clean from grease. Do not unwrap, pierce, or cut the pouch that's inside of here. So what you do is you load your dishwasher up as normal, put one of these tabs in the bottom, put your soap in here and run it as normal. And this is supposed to get the grease, dirt, and grime and from off of the inside of the dishwasher and alleviate some of the smell problems that you have. And hopefully the tricks that I just showed you will help you to keep your dishwasher smelling fresh. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. Thanks a lot.